What's up, guys? Welcome back to my vlog. Today we are about to vlog my fish that you didn't know about, because I just bought Pheonix. I have 3 fighting fish. Here's my first fighting fish, Pheonix.
Kasi malata, baby. Magdaan ka ng lata. May benta rin yung lata. Hindi na. Plastic lang.
Sige, lagay mo. Here is Inferno. I just bought him. Pheonix, I bought him about a week and a half. A week ago, I think. Here's Inferno. Stick out the plants. There is Inferno. Put him back where he was. This is where he lives, by the computer. I'm just using it. I just want to vlog. Here's one is Blizzard. Let's put it on the table. No, let's look at this.
3 to 4 days lang ito.
Ah! Fin. There's the blue one. That's Blizzard. That's Blizzard. They're all fighting fish. And I make sure to put plants and feed them day and night. I always put plants in their home. So they make great ornamental fish. So I can say later we're gonna eat stuff, and I'm just gonna watch. I'm just gonna pause, and yeah. Today we're at the computer. I'm watching some SML. Let's just put it on Roblox. Wait till the next vlog. And bye-bye.